Now let us discuss how to calculate the horsepower requirement for a disperser, and we can estimate this based on this equation. That is, we can call it shaft horsepower. You can call it shaft horsepower, that is SHP, of the impeller. Let us call it shaft horsepower of the impeller. Impeller means you have got the mixer, so this is the impeller, and for which what is the horsepower required here. So in order to calculate this, we need certain parameters. First of all, let me introduce you this important equation: d divided by 12 whole power 5 into n cube into Sg. Sg means specific gravity into Np, okay, whole divided by 6.12 into 10 power 7. So this is the formula. So here Sg is specific gravity of the liquid. Specific gravity of the liquid or paint. See, before that you should understand some important concept about density. So density of a liquid, so let me call it d1 or dl. Density of a liquid is equal to weight of the liquid or mass of the liquid, okay, weight of the liquid divided by volume of the liquid. So usually it is given in gram per ml, milliliter, or gram per cubic centimeter. Both are same. Now sometimes they express in terms of kilogram also. So kilogram means in that case per liter, okay, and some people they represent this in terms of liter per cubic meter. In that case you have to multiply by 1000, so into 1000 kg per cubic meter. I will tell you the details how to work out, how to arrive at the units later. Now, so specific gravity means, you know, the specific gravity of water is 1, that is density of water is 1. So you can say density of liquid divided by density of water. So it is a comparative scale. Actually specific gravity has no unit, but density has unit. Are you able to understand? Right. So usually for paint it will be around 1.01 like that. So let me assume Sg is equal to 1, and based on that we will work out the calculation, right? And the d represents the diameter of the blade, okay. So d is the diameter of the blade, it is understood, of the blade. So that is given in inches, right? Then, and how many blades? After all, 1 blade or 2 blade, etc. That is number of blades, is it not? And then n represents here the RPM. How much RPM is required? RPM means rotation per minute, okay. So let me say this is 24 inches, and the RPM required is around 796 RPM, 796 rotations per minute. That is, in a minute it should rotate 796 times. and here the that is we have to tip speed, that is also very important here, and then you have got other values. Okay, now let us calculate based on this input that is a horsepower. So SHP is equal to, what is our diameter, 24 inches divided by 12 whole power 5 into, what is N is, that is around 796, so you can call it 796 RPM into cube, 796 cube. Specific gravity is 1 divided by 6.12 into 10 power 7 into the NP, that is 0.25. Let us consider this. Now let us work out 2 times, so 2 power 5 into 796 cube into 1 into 0.25, and you can bring this 10 power 7 to the numerator, so 10 power minus 7. Okay, so divided by 6.12. So let us work out the calculation. Okay, so 2 power 5 is 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 2 32. So let us have 32 into 796 cube, 796 into 796 into 796, and then 0.25 divided by 6.12. That results how much? That is 6.5 into 10 power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 10 power 8 into 10 power minus 7. It means it works out to 65. Is it not? 65 horsepower. So the value is 65. So we can fix 65 to 100, something like that. So this is the required horsepower. So do you understand? So the SHP is equal to the SHP required is 65. Okay, so this is the horsepower we have worked out. So do you understand?